Want to turn any high-quality image into a giant poster using only Microsoft Word? No fancy design software needed. Watch until the end to see how your image will automatically split across multiple pages like magic. Launch Microsoft Word and open a new or blank document. Keep watching. This first step sets you up for success. Click on the Layout tab at the top of the screen. Then select Margins and choose the Narrow setting. This maximizes the printable area on each page, so your poster has less white space and more image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select the high-quality image you want to turn into a poster. The higher the original image quality, the better your final poster will look. This step is very important. Don't skip it. Right-click your inserted image, hover over Wrap Text, and select Behind Text. Why? Because this allows you to move the image freely across page boundaries without breaking the layout. Now, navigate to the Picture Format tab. In the Size group, manually enter a large height and width. For example, 60 centimeters in height. Here's the secret. Word will automatically stretch your image across multiple pages. Keep watching to see what happens next. Go to File, Print. In the preview, you will see your image automatically split into sections across several sheets, ready to be printed and taped together. That's it! You just made a poster for free! If this helped, hit subscribe and check out the next video where I show you how to add borders and text to your multi-page poster.